coming, and then you ask
Kate,
them.
relax. Take a deep breath, okay?
Can you try this one?
Think of the next step before you even proceed.
Slow down, Kate.
Kate.
Yeah?
You're too excited. Just relax your body. Think of the next grab handle and where your foot's gonna be. That's how you're gonna do it. If you get too excited, then you're just gonna get tired.
You're using up all your energy, sweetheart.
You okay?
I'm sitting on my own line.
Try to hit your foot.
Kate.